So this is the Garvee bed. We just put it together. Actually pretty simple to put together. The reason being is it only needs one tool, a 4mm. So I suggest something along the lines of this. You can put this on an impact or something like this. This is a swivel 4mm, and you can get this into like tight corners. So if we look at it a little bit closer, you have your wood frame here. You have your top, so you can like put stuff here up here if you want. It doesn't need a box spring, and the reason why we got this one, the reason why my wife wanted this one was because of this. So there's these little drawers down here, and they roll out, and you can store stuff underneath the bed and get to it real simple. Now, I wouldn't say that these are like everyday drawers. I mean, I guess you could. I mean, you know, I guess that would be okay. But the way that they work is they they go in, and then there's this bolt right here, and it's a key, and you kind of lock it in. I don't know if that shows, and it's kind of hanging. And it, you know, makes it look solid. So you don't even know there's drawers there. But what we're going to probably use these drawers for is more like long-term storage. So like maybe in the summer, we'll put the winter stuff in there, and the winter, we'll put the summer stuff. But I guess if you wanted to, you could use them every day, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's, you know, definitely possible. So installation took, or assembly took about maybe like an hour, a lot of pieces. But all in all, you know, it's, you can see the bed. It's got 4 drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Let's show the end here. See the end here? Curved. Yeah. There it is. We're out.